Okay. Hello, everyone. We're
Hello.
doing we're doing we're doing build a game again. Oh, right. I'm not actually showing that part, so I might want to transition. But I'm actually going to get myself onto the Twitch chat. So last time we added a lot of movement to our game, and it gets really crazy. Um, so I don't want to like see what other. Is anyone on the chat yet? I have invited Nephron Hunter, but okay. Go ahead. Go for it. All right. So, all right. I'm gonna transition so I can see my screen. Okay. So, last left the game. We'll just do a little demo of what we have right now. Oh, right. I didn't start with the right thing. So I want to start with the other the start screen. So the music will start. Okay. Oh well. Yeah. Well, there were side conversations that went on while I was doing this. So I added the little flying saucer. The now I might have to cut back on the oh on the effects a little bit, but it does make it a little more challenging to see. It's something I was playing around with, so it does make it a little harder. It is making it a little laggy too. Anyway, so my computer's a little unhappy with this, so we'll just we'll stop for now. Yeah. Well, my computer's kind of old, so. All right, so it's kind of fun to get back to this game after doing Loot and Dare. Very. Yeah. Uh, so a little bit of a different game than Loot and Dare, the Loot and Dare game I created, which I guess we'll be featuring in a future thing, maybe.
Yeah, well, actually,
Okay, cool. Yep. So, all right. So I yes, what's a good place? I'm gonna pull up notepad. No. So I keep bringing this up, and then I don't actually do all the things I put on my list, but I end up going off on a tangent. But so I'm not sure what to what to do next here. Oops. I need to go back here. Okay. Game over screen. That's always possible. So we just kind of have to have a win condition of some kind.
yeah. Like, I remember, like, well, I mean, you don't have to do this, but I remember just
Hmm.
like, people playing about, like,
Oh, that's right. That's right.
so it's like the third stage is like, whatever happened. Because everyone, like, wanted to see.
Oh yeah. All right.
Background, so yeah, like,
Mhm. Yeah. Now doing that might be a little difficult. We've got this tiled thing right here. We've got this whole spawning, like spawning background essentially.
Yeah.
So I got to figure out what's the best way to have them end up on another planet that looks good and logical and doesn't get too complicated. But
Is there a way you can like? Because I'm not entirely sure how the scrolling effect works.
okay, yeah, the scrolling effect. Let's see, event. Okay, right. Scrolling effect. Now that's actually I pulled it from one of the other. Okay. So what happens is blast. Those is the blast off background. Blast off background height. Oh, okay. Whoops. Blast off background height divided by 2. Set y to blast for the blast off background to y plus height window height divided by 2. So it just keeps pulling it down. Like redoing it. Now we could have it stop that.
That's what I mean. That's probably like the easiest thing. Like at the end of.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right.
Just like the other thing at the end of just pull down.
Yeah, that would work. So let's see. Let me just make sure I understand what I'm doing that causes it to. Okay, so it causes the original background to um, move. It's a bullet behavior. So I guess we just set it. Okay, yeah. I think it's pretty easy. All I have to do is like have like a variable, um, add another condition, have it, basically, and then just have maybe just have another background appear. So, what background should we do next? Well, let's see. We're on a moon around Saturn. It's one of the Saturn's many moons. So no, it's not Titan. Titan is Titan has an atmosphere. This one is one of the rocky ones. I forget what the plant the it's called, but that's Jupiter. That is Jupiter. There are a lot of I think the Jupiter's moons are more well known, other than Titan. But sorry, Neptune. There we go. That is a great idea. Yes, we're not. Hmm? Yep, yep. So okay, let's get a picture of Neptune. Oh, hi, Taco Phil. All right, so let's go back to NASA. 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 Picture of the day. Thank you, NASA. I'm sure this is exactly why you gather all this data, so we can make goofy games in which sea life lands on you. All right, so let's search. Let's find a good one of Neptune. Neptune. Yeah. Oh, oh yeah. It's uh, Cephis. Yeah, I think that's the one. I couldn't remember. Yes, of course. I just like the look of it. No, the mare are it doesn't have any mare as far as I can tell. And okay, never mind. I'm doing it. uh, yeah, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fantastic. Yeah, I like this one. It's a good option. So just to give proper credit and everything. And see if I should be able to download this, right? I can just download. I download this before. Save image as Neptune. Oh no, I'm gonna do it on desktop. Okay. Yeah, I'm just throwing everything on the desktop. That's what I do during game jams. It's probably terrible, but and then I just gather it up at the end. Uh-huh. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You're like a matriarch kind of thing going on. Oh wow. Okay. We're gonna insert a new object. Sprite. Oh yeah. Yeah, sprite insert. Oh, I probably should actually have named it something. But, all right, let's rename it. Rename it Neptune. Neptune. Okay, Neptune needs to be created here. No, wait, no, no, don't do that. Why did you do that? I did not want it in the middle. Anyway, okay, let's see. Uh, it's okay. It's really big. That's all. Oh, there we go. Now we have Neptune. Just pull it into this space. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We want it to be recognizable. I wouldn't want somebody like looking at it and like, that's not Neptune. Because that's definitely going to happen. And it's like, well, sure. Yeah. Okay, if I play it right now, I'm just going to see if it shows up before I'm ready for it to show up. Okay. All right. Nope, it doesn't. Let's see. Yeah, we're missing the music. It all seems to work really well. No issues there. um, okay. I might actually want to center this a little bit more. I don't know. I'm sure it'll look fine. Okay, I'll give it bullet behavior because that's good. Bullet behavior, but it'll have it be, and we do not want it to be enabled. Right? Oh wait, I just realized I don't actually want it to be oriented that way because I want it to be okay. Sorry, I'm just sort of thinking my way through this because it's going to go in this direction, which will be forward for it. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna need to rotate this. Let's see, angle. Okay, there we go. So that looked like it did nothing, but it really made everything easier. Set up is everything. Okay, so now we have Neptune. Now we need the condition where it is going to descend. Oh, we probably also want to have, um, we want to disable it if it gets too far. But anyway, okay. Oh, we're gonna, okay, well, adding another global variable. Or, let's see, Neptune stage. I don't know if we're actually doing this as a, and then what we're going to do, find where, here we go. Add another condition. Variable Neptune stage equal to 0. Done. So that'll keep happening until we set Neptune stage to 1. And let's see how many points do we want to for Neptune stage, just for testing, I guess. Oh gosh, maybe not. At least we're not for testing, but is that an M? That's probably Earth masses or something. It does have a little subscript that has like a little. Yep, that's Earth. 17. That's fun. Uh, what's the number again? 1715. So 1715. Yeah, that's not too bad. We can do that. 96. Yeah, we'll be here for a while. Well, at least for testing, we'll do 1715. All right, we're. Exactly. Huh. Yeah, I mean, why else would we do it that way? All right, this is going to be interesting. So I wanted to basically slide down and then stop at a certain point. Well, okay, well, first things first, I got to set it up so that it will slide down. Oh. Set enable. um, yeah, yeah, but then it might, yeah, if it's equal to that, oh, but wait a minute, it might not not exactly equal that, so equal to or greater, yeah, but then I'm gonna have to do something else to like make sure that it doesn't know it knows not to keep trying to do that. What? Yeah, but I'm also thinking the next trigger where it's gonna go and then it's gonna start stop. So yeah, that's a yeah. So greater than equal to or yeah, greater or equal to done. Boolean. Boolean. It's a bool. Sounds like Halloween. It's a bool. All right. All right. L. All right. Root. All right. Next. All right. Set this to 0. So we'll set. All right. This is. Anyone else on who is? Using my own computer. I got it all on here. I don't know. Yeah, I do at this point. And Tara probably wouldn't want me downloading a bunch of stuff and leaving it on the desktop anyway.
Like the first one is about
Oh. Oh no.
yeah.
Oh. I have not seen that movie. Okay. So that's so now we're gonna have that set up. Now we have to set the condition where it's going to stop. So basically, we want it to stop when it's down here. Let's see. I'll wing it. See what happens. All right. Yes. Nothing wrong with winging it. See what happens. Otherwise, you just sit there thinking about, is this uh well let's see. This would be the y. This would be y, right? Here y. That's equal to or okay, and y increments. So all right. So what we're gonna do is that's yeah, Neptune. Height or height. Yeah, is there a height? There should be a height. Okay. All right. Let me just Neptune. What do we got? Image height. Okay. Current height of the animation. That's animation. Oh, height. Object height in pixels. There we go. There was height. It was like it wasn't showing it to me. Okay. All right. Then have Neptune's. Um, put the bullet. It's disabled. There we go. Done. Let's see what happens. I think a lot of developers, based on my experience with QA. Oh, oh no, it didn't stop. No, why did you stop? Oh, no, no. Okay. How much did I overshoot by though? Okay, you know what? Oh wait, why did I just? Oh, I did not want to export. Nope. Debug. All right. Where did Nep stop? It's oh wow.
Yeah, it's like literally had something like the size of the planet
Nice.
discovered and copy and paste.
Oh. Ah, yeah, that works. It's in front of everything. I can't. That's just as that's yeah. We can fix that, but we just have to put it. It's just in the wrong layer. That's what it is. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Mhm. That sounds fun. Oh yeah, it's still moving. All right, to adjust that slightly. That works. Yeah. Yes. Just throw in another planet. Yes. Just keep throwing in more planets. All right. So what do I want? I want it to be a little less. Let's see. See if that works. Yeah. Let's see if I did it in the right direction. I don't feel like I don't feel like doing math right now. Yeah. It'll be a lot faster to see what happens. There we go. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, whenever I want it, I can decide that, and then I can have more space again, and just keep going further and further into space. And I've got pictures of Pluto out there. But yes, you can just keep just getting crazier and crazier. So yeah. Well, we could still put a wind condition or something in there. So, oh my. Gosh, this is a pretty crazy game. Uh-huh. Right. I do believe that when we were talking about this, we were discussing the possibility of like a little dance party when I get to the planet. Trying to remember what the suggestions were for the because there were going to be more characters showing up. I promised my sister I'd include them. I just need to remember what they were. Necron's not on there, is she? Ah, Tessie. Yep. Right. Say hi to people in the chat. Let's see. Yes. We should have a map of the solar system to show where the player is. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, you made a game using construct this past day, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That looked like it was fun.
Yeah, it got a lot of
Cool. Cool. Oh really? I did that. I did that once. Yeah. Yep. Ah, is that what that does it? Yeah, when I ran out of space, I ran out of events. I was doing too many things. I was trying to do too many game mechanics in one game. uh, oh no. Oh no. Yeah, you probably could refactor it. Also, paying for the paid for edition. This is what this is. Yeah, something like that. Oh, hey, Dora. We now land on Neptune.
Oh no, the farthest planet from the sun in our solar system, that is. There's plenty of farther planets. Let's not go there.
Oh yes, yeah. There are plenty of planets out there. It's not a well-known one. What can I say? I wanted to have a little bit of, time in the sun here. Yeah, yeah. This is obviously one that doesn't have much of an atmosphere. Yeah, I could remember specifically what the name was, but yeah. Planet X. It's okay. It's kind of a sci-fi idea from way back, and also, there's a lot of stuff out there, but I wouldn't say that there's a Planet X. Because I mean, it's kind of a play on an unknown planet and the 10th planet, which now yeah, there are a lot of things out there in that part of space. So a lot of paper bells, not paper. Oh, that exoplanet? Yeah. There are a lot of exoplanets. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. They, well, discovering a planet could be really cool because, you get to name a planet and it's, really awesome. Yeah. Well, the the possibility, it captures the imagination. It's not, I don't know that there's an actual planet X. There's just a lot of stuff. There's a lot of icy debris, icy bodies out there, like Pluto and Eris and Discord. Sedna. Well, actually, the Eris, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but the Eris, which became a dwarf planet, and we actually kind of touched off the what's a planet discussion back before. They actually call it, they were calling it Xena, which is definitely trademarked. Definitely not a name. It has a little satellite, and they're calling that Gabrielle. So Xena and Gabrielle, yes. But instead, they ended up naming it, classically, off of based on a Greek goddess of discord, which makes sense. Chaos, it caused chaos. Oh yes. Yes. The public, yeah. It was like in the 90s, yeah, 1990s. Yep.
So on the back of the extra credits
Oh. Oh.
awesome. Like we shouldn't be talking about this. So I guess it doesn't answer the secret anymore. I haven't even come up with a game yet.
Oh.
I'm on the Wikipedia page for, well, I guess just fantasy on that. So I wrote this line, like the guy who came up with Planet X, Percival Lowell.
Oh, Percival Lowell, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I love this line. They had their little study that was 1916 and Harry Potter was with Planet X. But he just suddenly died searching for this planet.
Oh, yeah.
Failing to find the planet according to them virtually full.
Oh, gosh.
That's kind of sad.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's a Lowell. I actually did observing when I was in grad school. I did observing on the Lowell Observatory in Flag. Yeah, it was really fun.
What did he do? He actually tried to build a rocket ship.
No. He just it's observatories and stuff.
Right. I mean, you have to look at the movements of each and every single star.
Yeah, well, it's much more. Well, you don't necessarily have to measure everything. I mean, there's blinking techniques that you can do to sort of things that see how things move in the background of stars. That makes it a lot easier. I've I've actually done that too electronically, but doing it, I imagine it'd be a lot harder to do it not using analog techniques. But it's
Right. I think the way they did it was by basically taking a time lapse of
Mhm.
all the stars and then finding whichever ones is that.
Oh, yeah, they yeah, you just blink. You flip between images really quickly and see, does it look like something moves? Is there something that was there that's not there anymore? Well, it's very easy to see when you look at if we're flipping between two images. It's really easy to see if something moves. It's much easier to see than one image and you're just taking a look at it and taking careful measurements. It just uses your normal ability to sort of pick up on basically the same, yeah, just differences and it's basically like to do a cartoon, like one of those flip books, but with stars. You just got to make sure that you've got everything lined up right and the same stars are in the field, because then everything moves if it's not. You don't have it set up right. I've done that too. Oh yeah, definitely.
I mean, I guess the only second if I
That's true. Of course, they didn't have the tools we do because they relied very heavily on photographic plates rather than which are much harder to use than say the CCD cameras. But
yeah, you have to tell us.
Are you
So
gonna
you don't need yours? Oh, okay, try it out. Oh, they were good? Yeah. Oh, not see about that. People are looking at that.
Okay. Okay.
What are your game obligations here?
I'll
So,
give it an hour.
all right. Is that
Neptune Rising.
Neptune Rising? It's a Neptune dance party. I'll show Patrick what we've got so far. So, we don't have the music. We need to have the music going. That's really necessary. So I'll go to the start screen, run the layout from there. And we can't really hear the music. Yeah, we've been busy. Okay, yeah. No, this is probably. Yeah, they are. It's just. Yeah. Oh, sure. What? Yes. Yes, sure, it's diesel powered. Just like your favorite starships, Patrick. Yeah. Where'd it go? I don't know where my guy went. Oh, where did he go? Yeah. All right, we'll make the life.
Wait, let's look at the past recording. Okay, you move it. Oh wow, yeah, completely. You're moving it around still. And I'm looking for what happened to our crayfish. So, I mean, but yeah, you may want to make it so that it slowly moves
Oh, okay.
when you're not.
Oh, okay. That might be a good idea.
Oh yeah, you drag it off the top.
I dragged it off the. I just flung it off the screen. My poor little crayfish. All right.
The magic of replay.
Yep.
Throwing your player away. Why?
All right, so sure. Let's have I'll add another layout, which is no, don't add an event sheet. Um, well, maybe I can add an event sheet later. Sure. All right, so I can add an game over. Game over. Okay. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna flip this. Resize it for this particular thing here. Yeah, my game over screen. It's got stars. What's the angle? Yeah, it's 360. There we go. Text. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, no! Let's just make a game over text. Oh gosh. I wouldn't send you. Actually, let's see.
But that takes time.
Yep. All right. I want some big text. Yeah. A lot of them don't necessarily come in all the sizes, and it doesn't tell you ahead of time. I I do not know. I do not know. I really don't. Game over. So, sorry. Where's my game over text? Game over text. Game over text. Over. I need to make this bigger. There we go. Game over. I suppose we could probably also add like an effect or something. Particles? No, that's... Oh, right. I also want to make sure. Of course, it's probably okay. So we can make a lose condition. Well, I guess if you lose enough points, I guess. Not that you could do that right now, given the balance you have. But if your points drop below 0, it does have them take off points. Not a huge amount, but some. So I'm not sure. Yeah, subtract below hit, which is which is 1. Not a lot, but we could do more. Yeah, they don't get destroyed either when they hit, so it's, yeah. But we can make that larger. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, sure. Yeah, we don't have the game over screen set up yet, so you know what? We'll still do it. Let's see what happens. Oh, probably, yeah. I think you can. Oh, yeah. You're already very, very Oh, man. I think 1,000 might be over. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do next. I'm kind of at this stage where I'm like, I suppose I should probably make some decisions about how this is going to go. Yeah. Mhm. Oh, wait. I don't think I have any kind of collision on with the this with the sprite. Yeah, the laser that um the sea cucumber is shooting at you. Probably should add that. Oh yeah, you can always do. Jeez. That's true. We could do something funky like that, or make you flash or something like that. It could be. Yeah, let's just make it really juicy. All right. Yes. Well, we got we do have like the um, points for the cucumber. Uh, yeah, go. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it should have. Yeah, it should be destroyed. That might be one of the reasons we're destroying. Yeah, it might be taking up too much. Okay. All the time. Let's see. Very fish. Let's see. So maybe we can add, I don't know, flash. See what happens if we do that. And if, I think it makes it flash. But
Yeah, just like that.
all right. Flash. Flash. Next. On time, off time, duration. All right, done. Let's see what happens. We'll have to actually get to that point.